Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can restore your bookmarks in a Waterfox web browser, for example, through a saved HTML file on your device, for example, from another browser, or if you have saved your bookmarks as an HTML here from Waterfox on your computer. So this is how you can do it. So let's assume you deleted your bookmarks accidentally. Now you'd like to restore them here on Waterfox, guys. What you need to do is access your bookmarks menu first. Click into these three lines in the top right corner to do that. Select bookmarks, and here at the bottom you will see that option, manage bookmarks. Alternatively, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O. Here, guys, in that window, what you want to do is simply click into import and backup at the top and hover your mouse over restore, select choose file, and after that simply navigate to the file on your device, upload it as an HTML file, and that is going to import and restore your bookmarks here in that menu on Waterfox, guys. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.